If you're sick of seeing the posts of people who don't follow you back on Instagram, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily unfollow anyone who doesn't follow you back, so you can declutter your feed and only see content from people that care about you. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end if you're ready to clean up your following list on Instagram. First of all, let's open up the Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, I follow 85 people on Instagram, but only 4 actually follow me back. So in order to see who is not following me back, let's tap on where it says following. So, for example, if I go to one of these accounts and look at the following list, I can search for my name. And as you can see, this person does not follow me back. So let's go back and tap on where it says, following. And let's unfollow this person. So this is the only way to unfollow people who don't follow you back. You just have to go through your following list and see whether or not they are following you. There are some apps that can mass unfollow people who don't follow you back, but in order to use those apps, you have to give them access to your Instagram account. I definitely don't recommend using them because who knows what they do with your account information? So instead of using those apps, you can manually go through your following list and do the process that I showed you earlier. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.